Well, hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new Donut Shop Layout Pack I think you're going to love. This Donut Shop Layout Pack is specially prepared for all those donut lovers out there. The design is clean, fun, and delicious. The use of images are spectacular with effective promotional offers throughout, and the services page and menu page are a sweet bonus for any donut shop looking to promote and sell their treats online. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new Donut Shop Layout Pack on your own website. So before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then go ahead and click the Updates tab and make sure you have your username and API key entered. Then click Save Changes. Once done, you'll have access to all of the pre-made layouts without any problems. Now that that's done, you're ready to start creating all of your new pages and then adding your corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. First, go to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Next, select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll until you find the Donut Shop Layout Pack and click it. There you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and find the one that you want. And then when you're ready, click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to go ahead and continue this process to create all of your pages and then add the corresponding Divi layout to each of those pages. And when you're done, you're ready to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, go ahead and select all of the pages that you've created with your corresponding pre-made layouts and then add them to your menu. Under the menu structure area, go ahead and organize your items however you like. And then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu. Then click Save Menu. That takes care of the primary menu for your website. One last step is to go ahead and create a static homepage for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the homepage, make sure and select the homepage that you've created with the corresponding new homepage pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Donut Shop Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.